हाय किड्स इस वीडियो में हम ट्रेस करेंगे कैपिटल लेटर ए बी सी डी ए टू जेड. लेट्स लर्न कलर्स नेम. ग्रीन, ब्लैक, ब्राउन, स्काई ब्लू, पिंक, रेड, ऑरेंज, ब्लू, light green. Kids, this is letter A for apple. We are tracing letter B. Kids, this is letter B. Now we are tracing letter C. This is letter C. Kids, we are tracing letter D. This is letter D. Now kids, we are tracing letter E for elephant. F, this is letter F for fan. Kids, we are tracing letter G for God. H, this is letter H for horse. This is letter I for ice cream. We are tracing letter J for juice. This is letter K for kangaroo. This is letter L for loin. M for moon. M. This is letter N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. R. This is letter S for sun. Now we are tracing letter T for tiger. Kids, this is letter U for unicorn. This is letter V for van. W for well. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. This is letter Z for zoo. Kids, read again. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Thanks for watching.